Hey, it's Gil. I'm the head of growth at Liner. Today, I'd like to introduce first of many agents that we'll be releasing, and it is called the Reference Finder agent. After speaking with many researchers, we found that one of the most time-consuming parts of writing paper is actually finding the references, even for the most obvious claims. So what the Reference Finder does is really simple. It finds papers to support your writing with just a single copy and paste. Now get right into the action. Here's a chunk of text from a literature review about 1,700 characters long on AI training methods. And normally you would end up diving down a rabbit hole on Google Scholar or a library website to find citations for these statements. With our reference finder agent, you can just paste the text here as I did and click on Find References. And as you can see, it's going to take a couple minutes, so I'm just going to skip ahead to the results. This is 3 minutes after, and if you look at the left panel, you can actually see the agent reading through the material and verifying that each claim is cited appropriately. And if you scroll further down, you'll see how it searches for the most relevant papers. This is one of the favorite parts of the product because we aim to make the agent's working process really transparent as possible. The easiest way to review the output is by clicking on any one of the citations that were generated. So I'm just going to click on a first sentence, and it's going to show the papers on the right panel, which you can click into. And what you can also do is you can click on the Cite button, and you can just copy the citations right out of the product if you like the citations. And this is pretty much it. And as I mentioned, this is just the first of many research agents that we'll be launching in the coming weeks. So to stay updated, follow us on X or LinkedIn and tell us what you think. See you soon.